It's 28 degrees out today in Middle Tennessee. We're staining a fence with Stain and Seal Experts Fence Stain. We're using a 323 tip. This is a unique tip that we use on plank fences. It really speeds up the process. The number 3 means, if I'm not mistaken, that at either 6 inches or at 12 inches, maybe it's 12 inches, that 3 will double. So it'll be a 6-inch fan. And we've got a 6-inch plank, so that works well. The 23 is an orifice size. It's a really heavy coat that it's going to put on, so check this out. It's going to make your fence staining go a little bit faster. Two quick passes and you got your board stained. And this is a heavy, heavy wet coat. You can see it running. It's a little cold. It's going to run a little slower than normal, but this will all self-level, and it'll work really well. Give you several years. Stain and Seal Experts.